So I'm gonna be watching ARM here at open to get in right away. And then Tesla puts I'm watching too. Definitely watching Tesla puts for a move all the way down to like 194 and maybe even lower. All right, so good luck everyone. Market opens here in 8 seconds. All right, ARM, let's see. I'm gonna hop in these ARM 150s. I'm gonna take one on the challenge account. All right, so that's ARM. Tesla gonna keep an eye on puts here. 195 puts. Oh, I'm going to get in on my main account. I'll take it on the challenge too. Um, Tesla. ARM is also breaking out here, guys. All right, so ARM is doing its thing here. Already up a ton. It's already up 20%, guys. So there you have that. Could be done for the day on that if we wanted. Let's see. Honestly, I'll take that since it's kind of being hesitant here. ARM out on the challenge. You know, I'll take it up 20%. And I'm gonna sell that. So just like that, up $268 on the day, up to 2664. Tesla puts are also up 10% already. There you go, Tesla. Let's see if ARM can continue this push. Here we go. Tesla, let's see if we can get that continuation. And Tesla's selling off, so that's good. Tesla breaking down. There we go on Tesla. ARM pulling back here a bit. See if it can hold here. Nice sell off here on Tesla. Contracts are up 40% already. Tesla still selling off. Contracts are up 50% here. There we go. Contracts are up 60%. Selling all one. Here we go. Tesla's pushing through here. What a move. Tesla, I expect it to bounce here slightly at least. We're at a pretty big level, right? Previous support acted as resistance here. So let's see. Tesla going further here. Contracts up 75%. Let's see. Tesla's still working its way down. Contracts up 90%. Great move there.